This is my 2020 bike check. And then we got the Eightiesbikeco with the shining frame. It's out now for sale on Eightiesbikeco.com. So what we got is just the 80s roadie frame. It's pretty dope. It's triple leather. Then we got the 80s, the pivotal post, looking fresh. And then we go down to the 80s moonwalker cranks. There's the top of the line flagship crank. And that's connected to, here's the 80s bodyguard sprocket. It's dope, it's a pentagram as well. And that's connected to the Primo. These are the turbo pedals. Actually no, so these are the JJs, my fault. But yeah, so we get that connected to that. We get the gold Primo. No, sorry, this is a cinema chain, my fault. It's the gold cinema half-link chain, right? And then we got this is all connected to. We got the profile mini cassette hub. Pretty fucking sick hub, dude. Nice and loud for those loud people that love the loud hubs. Pretty much where you should go. Connected to the Gsport roll cage. We got the profile titanium spokes with the purple nurples, kid. And then we got the Colt Fuck You valve stem cap. And we get the Primo 533C tires, and that's Connor Keating's signature. 2.45, I believe, for the more critical person. Same up front. We got the mini with the profile spokes and the purple nurples up here too. Gsport roll cage, and the Primo up front too. Connor Keating. I love that little graffiti throwy. Right. And then we got the 80s hot leg forks. Beautiful fork, dude. Everything this company makes just about is beautiful, dude. So we got the 80s integrated headset, and then we got the Animal 20th anniversary jump off stem. Beautiful stem, dude. You know, still waiting on the 80s to drop that stem on me. I got the Eightiesbikeco 4 cap. And then, so up front we got the 80Sbikeco rainbow bars. Connor Keating signature stranger grips with the purple alloy animal bar ends. Loving them. And yeah, these are 10-inch rides. I feel like they're 30 wide. They're sick though, they're dope bars, bro, and everything this company makes is dope. You should definitely give them a check out, check them out. But yeah, so yeah, that's my bike. I'm gonna put the other side of it. I love that 80s, the decals too, looking like some Goonies. Some, reminds me of the Goonies writing, you know, on the DVD case. Or tape, whatever you're into. But yeah, so that's her. There we go. You know, yeah, I changed the decals around on the rainbow bars, as you can see. I mean, hey, if you like rainbows, that's on you. Not that that's bad. Yeah, I decided that the beer can is a little more fitting. Just looks sick, you know. So yeah, that's her. The Steed.